Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to see how add penalty at last option will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the master setup, go to the setting and here you can see setting entry form. Just select money lending. From here select add penalty at last. So its default value is yes. So here if I want to put no, then it will get added to the current installment. So I will just keep here no and I will add this. So it is already in exist. Now let's search one loan I have created, 124. I have created one loan. Let's search this loan from the search bar. So here you can see I have created this loan. Principal is 10,000, interest is 1200 and total is 13,217 and interest is 1200. Now let's check the passbook. So here you can see loan given is 10,000, interest is 1200. And if you check the installment tracker, here you can see 2 October is the first installment. So for example, if I want to add some late fee, then I can add from here the fees and penalty. I will select late fee credit and from here I will add, for example, let's take 200 and here narration late fee charges or late fee applied. So I will add this. Now we have added this. So after that, if you check the installment tracker, let's see what happened. So here you can see the installment that fees is get added first installment, means the current installment. This 2 October is the current installment. So if I in the master setup setting value, if I say yes, then that late fee will get added at the last, whichever 2 September. So now it is adding to the first installment, that is 2 October. So let's receive this first installment 1301 and receive, and now you can see here fees 200 received, and here just refresh installment tracker. So here you can see the first installment with 200 fees we have received. So this type add penalty at last will work in Jainam Software. So if you set value yes, then it will get added at the last, and if you say no, it will get added at the current installment. So this type we can installment tracker also will work. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.